Sai Ram, good morning. Today we will learn how to create impressive borders in Microsoft Word and how to give watermark. Let us go to the start button of Windows. Then we'll go to Microsoft Office Word 2007. Let us open an existing file. Say learn typing. See, we have opened this file. I will show you what actually we have to create. Let's see print preview. In print preview you see a border has been given to this document and also a watermark has been given. Now how to give this watermark and how to give this page border, that we will see. Let us do close print preview. We will go to the page layout menu. When we click on page layout, you see in this watermark is there, page color is there, page borders is there. First let us click on page borders. So here you can see there are options of page border. You want box type, shadow type, 3D type, custom type, which style you want to give. At present we have given this style. Which color you want to give, what will be the width of your border, how many points and all. And here it is written apply to whole document or this page, this section, first page only, or this section, all except first page. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose. Let us choose whole document. Here art is there. When we click on art, many options will come. Let us try this apple looking border. We have clicked here and let us do OK. See, in the border apples are showing. Let us see the print preview. See, the whole page is surrounded by apples. This is a page border. So likewise we can change page border of our choice. Now let us see how we can give the watermark. We will click on close print preview. We will go to watermark. See, here it is written confidential. Here it is written do not copy. Let us click on this do not copy. Now let us see in the print preview. See, here now it is written do not copy. So likewise you can change the watermark in a document as you want to give. Let us try once more. We will go to watermark and here is the option to remove watermark. We click on remove watermark and we will see the print preview. See, that watermark is removed, do not copy watermark is removed. Again we will close print preview. Again we will go to watermark. If again we go to remove watermark and click on remove watermark, what happens? Let us see in the print preview. That one watermark is still there. Now close print preview, watermark. See here there is another option, custom watermark. When we click on custom watermark, it is giving no watermark, picture watermark, text watermark. Now suppose we click on text watermark. Here the text is ASAP, as soon as possible. Now we click the down arrow. So many options are there: confidential, copy, do not copy, original, personal, sample, top secret, urgent. So many are there. Suppose we want to give some another text watermark. Suppose important. We'll write important. Click on apply and then close. Now we will see print preview. See, two watermarks are coming. The first one is also there and important is also there. What we can do is, important we can do it horizontally. How we can do? Let's click on watermark again. Let's go to custom watermark. See, we have written important. Layout we have given diagonal. What we can do is we can click on horizontal and then do apply, close. Now if we go to print preview, see, this Vidya Srushti is diagonal and important is horizontal. So likewise you can create watermarks and the page borders. Thank you for watching. Do press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidya Srushti. Press bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Bye. Sai Ram.